Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook login error and unaccepted error occurred. Click Settings, click App Management, click App List, click Facebook, click Storage Use, click Clear Data, then click OK. Then open Google Play Store, search Facebook, click Facebook. If you get any update, please update. Then turn on airplane mode. Then again turn off airplane mode. Then open Facebook app. Log in your Facebook account. Click Skip. Some user report that a simple reinstall of the Facebook app fixes it. Thanks for watching.